Hey, this is your Auntie Janice. How's all my nieces and nephews doing? Well, I got a recipe. If you got children that don't like to eat carrots, I'm going to tell you what I did to get my kids to eat carrots. I made candied carrots. Watch, I'm going to show you how to make this and they're going to love you. Cut up your carrots like so. All in a circle. All right, carrots are all cut up. Place carrots in the pot. Fill it up. Add water. Boil until tender. All right, the carrots are all cooked. You see they're hot and you can see how soft they are. They're just very soft and tender. And so what you're going to do is you're going to add in butter, like so. 3 slices of butter. Turn that in there. And then you're going to add in 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then you're going to add 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. Boom. And just stir that up. Look at that. And just let the sugar dissolve. I'm telling you, this is going to be so good. And just mix it all together. And you see how it's turning into a glaze? Oh, it's so delicious. Get that butter all melted. And there. Get that butter all melted in here. And there you have it. Candied carrots. Mmm. So good. Brings so much joy. Enjoy.